Now we can discuss 11.4 first question. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. So, a garden 90 meter long and 75 meter breadth. Then, a path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. So, 5 meter path. From here to here 5 and here 5. So total 10 meter extra. And here also 5 meter and this also will be 5 meter. So here also total 10 meter. That is 10 meter extra for both sides. Okay. And up and down also. So 5 meter, 5 meter. Now 90 meter was the first. Now that increased 5 meter to here and 5 meter to here. So total 10 meter extra. Now this length will be 100 meter. 90 plus 10, that is 100. Then in case of 75 meter, here also one path is there. Including this path, 5 meter here, 5 meter here. So 10 meter. 75 plus 10 is equal to 85 meter. Then find the area of the path. That is, we have to find the area of this path. Okay. Then also find the area of the garden in hectare. That we can find. Now we can go through this question. Now, area of garden. This was the garden. Okay, this was the garden. Then area. Before including this path. Okay, without path. So, area of garden without path is equal to 90 multiplied by 75 meter square. So, that will be 6750 meter square. So we got it, this part. Then bigger garden, that is 100 meter and 85 meter. Now that increased because path were there. Okay. They made one path with 5 meter extra. All sides. Okay. 4 sides. Now we have to find new garden, area of new garden. That is equal to 100 multiplied by 85. 85 times 100 is equal to 8500. That is 8500 meters square. So now next step is we have to find only the path. Now we found the area of this one and the area of total. Okay. Then how can we find? We can subtract total area minus this small area. That will be 6750. The answer is 1750 meters square is the area of this path. Clear for you? Then next question is we have to convert this one into hectare. Which one? The area of this garden into hectare. Then 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. So area of garden, this meter square, we have to convert into hectare by dividing 10,000. Okay. Then 4 zeros are there. So point after point, we have to push 6 digits. That much hectare. So 0.6750 hectare. Clear? Total minus inside something will be there. That area we have to find. Then we have to subtract the areas. Then we will get the area of path. Okay, that is total will be there. Inside some shape will be there, maybe in square or in circle or anywhere. Find both areas. After then find the difference between these two areas. That will be the area of this path. Clear? Second question, a 3 meter wide path. So, path will be 3 meter. Okay, then runs around outside and around a rectangular park. So, there is one rectangular path. Rectangular park with length 125. So, 125 and breadth 65 meter. Then here also one path is there with a 3 meter distance from here to here 3 meter. Then this also 3 meter. Then top and down. Okay, everywhere. That is 4 sides 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Now, as usual, our next step is we have to find the length of this side and this side, including path. Okay, including path. That will be the new park. Up to here, they increased the area. Up to here. Now, this one was 125. Then plus 3 to here, plus 3 to here. Total 6. 125 plus 6 is equal to 131 meter. Total, this will be 131. Also, here this one was 65. Up to here, this one was 65. Now, they increased it to here. Then 65 plus 3, 68. 68 plus 3, that is 71. Now, 71 meter. Clear? Then, how can we find? We have to find the total area and the area of this park. Okay, then we have to find the difference between this new park and old park. Before or not including this park. Path. Okay, without path and with path. We have to find the area with path and we have to find the area without path. Then find the difference between that two areas. So, area of park without park. Okay, without area of park without path or not including path. Then that will be this one. There is no path. Outside of this park is path. So, 125 multiplied by 65, that is equal to 8125 meters square. Okay. Then, with including path, that will be, the length will be 131, including path. Then, 131 multiplied by 71. The answer is 9301 meters square. Clear? Then we have to find the area of this path. How can we find? We have to subtract these two areas. That is 9301 area of path is equal to 9301 minus 8125. That is equal to 1176 meters square. Okay. Next question. A picture is painted on a cardboard. There is one cardboard. Then with 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. So 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. So, next one is such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter. So there will be a margin, that is 1.5 in each side. Okay, 1.5 up to here, from here to there. Okay, then find the total area of the margin. We have to find the area of this margin, but we have to find the length here and breadth here. How can we find? Total was 8 centimeter. Then to right side they increased 1.5. Actually this one was the first one, no? Then they increased 1.5. So we can reduce, because we have to know the length of inside. Okay. Then 1.5 RHS side, and this is left side of this one. Right side and left side. We have to subtract. That is 8 centimeter minus 1.5, 1.5, 3. That will be 5 centimeter. So here this will be 5 centimeter length. Then in case of breadth also, this one was first. 5 centimeter was the first one. Then they cut that 1.5 margin. Okay, they drew 1.5 margin. So 1.5 both side. So here also 5 centimeter minus 2, that will be 3 centimeter. Now we got it here. Not 3. Here 3 and this will be 2. So here it is 2 centimeter. So 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. What is the next step? We have to find the area of outer side and area of inner side. Then we have to subtract that. Outer it was 8 times 5. That will be 40 centimeter square. Then here this is 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10 centimeter square. Okay, inside area. Then we have to find the difference between these two areas. That is 30 centimeter square. So 30 centimeter square is the area of margin, this place. Clear? All questions are same like this way. Then they said in the case of fourth question, a veranda of width 2.25 meter. So here 2.25, here also 2.25, here also 2.25 and here also 2.25. Then first this one was 5 centimeter. Okay, 5.5. 5.5 centimeter and the breadth was 4 centimeter. No, not centimeter, that is meter. Okay, meter. We can't change the unit, okay? Meter. Then, now we have to find the length of outer side. Then, now 5.5. Okay, then 5.5 plus 2.25 to this side. Okay, they increased 2.25 and this side also 2.25. That also we have to add. Okay, then now this is 10 meter. Okay, 10.00 will be there. Now that is 10 meter. So now we got outer side length is 10 meter. In case of 4 meter, here also we need to add 2.25 and 2.25. So 4 plus 2.25 and 2.25. So now this is 8.5. 8.50 will be there. So we can write 8.5 meter. You got it? You have to add that inner plus width or path. What is increased? If you need to find the inner side length and breadth, we have to subtract. If we need to find the outer side length and breadth, we have to add. Okay, both sides length and breadth we need to add. Okay. If we need to find the inner side, we have to subtract both sides length and breadth. Okay. Now as usual, we have to find the outer side area, that is 10 times 8.5. That will be 8.5 plus 10. 85 meters squared. And inner side, that will be 5.5 multiplied by 4. 5.5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 22 meters squared. That is, this one is the area with the path or veranda. This one is the area with veranda and or including veranda. Area including veranda and area without veranda. That will be the inside part. Then find the difference between these two. That is 85 minus 22. What is the answer? 85 minus 22 is equal to 63 meters squared. That is the area of this path. Then one more question is here. They need to construct a floor, that is cementing the floor. So for 1 meter square cementing the floor, the rate is 200 rupees. Okay. Then the total area, the total meter square, total square meter is 63 meters square. So how can we find? We have to multiply the total square with the cost of 1 meter square cost. So 63 times 200. 63 times 2 is equal to 126. Then 2 more zeros. Rupees this much. So 12,600 rupees. Total cost of cementing the floor is 12,600 rupees. How can we find? We know the cost of 1 meter square area. The total meter square was 63 meter square. We have to multiply the total area. How much we need to cement this floor? We have to cementing this floor. What is the area? How much we need to do that? That square meter we have to multiply with the 1 meter square cost. That will be the total cost. Fifth question is a path 1 meter wide. So there also one path. Okay. This is 1 meter. Here also 1 meter. Got it. Then, and inside a square garden of 30 meter. Where? Then here there was a square that was 30 meter. Here also 30 meter. There was a square garden with 30 meter. They made a path. Okay, inside this garden with 1 meter wide. All sides 1 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the length without path. Not including the path. Total it was 30 meter from here to here. Then they took 1 meter from this side and 1 meter from this side. Total 2 meter. So 30 meter minus 2 meter. That will be 28 meter. Here this was a square shaped one. So what can we do? We have to subtract from this 30 also 1 meter and from this 30 again 1 more meter. So 2 times 1 meter. That will be 28 meter. Okay, this was a square garden. They made a park with 1 meter. Then we have to find inside one more place will be there. Only 1 meter only they have taken for making this path. Okay. Then again we have to find one more square. That was 20 meter and 20 meter. Then as usual our step, we have to find the area including path. Including this path. That is 30 meter multiplied by 30 meter. That will be 900 meter square. Then without path, excluding path, that is 28 meter and 28 meter. What is the answer? 28 times 28 is equal to 784 meter square. Then the next step is we have to find the area of path. That was the question. So 900 minus 784. That is equal to 116 meter square. 116 meter square. Then next one is cost of planting. The cost of planting grass in the remaining portion. That is, we are not planting grass on this path. Inside remaining part. This is the remaining part. Okay. Then the area of this side is 784. Keep it there. For planting grass, 1 meter square, cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. But total, the area was 784 meter square. So how can we find? We have to multiply 40 and 784. Then we will get the total cost. 784 multiplied by 40 is equal to 31,360. 31,360 rupees. Is it clear? It is very easy. Just find out that what is given in the question, what we have to find. And try to draw a picture. The given things and finding things. With the relation of given things and finding things, we can draw the picture. Okay, it is very easy. Nothing will be the path, then any other wide, then margin. That will be here now. This is the clock. Here will be there. Then this total minus these both sides. That will be the length here, and this total minus the width from these two sides. That will be here. Clear? I think you got the idea how can we find out this type of problems. Thank you.